How to save battery on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you save your battery of your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open the task manager on your system. For that, in the source field at the bottom, search for task manager. After you find it, click on open. After you open task manager, you will get this type of interface. From the section processes, as you can find out all of the application or background processes which are using your CPU, memory or disks, as they can reduce your battery percentage. So as usual you can find the application, or you can uninstall that unwanted application from here, or you can end the task for that application. For that, right click on that, and from your as usual click on end task. This will also help you to save your battery. And for the another method, again from task manager, click on startup app, and from startup app section, if you have any startup application, you'll have to just turn off that. For that, you'll have to click on any application which are using startup. After you click on that, you'll have to just click on disable. Right now I'm getting the option enable, so you have to just disable the auto startup apps on your PC or laptop. Or you can also directly turn off your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if you are not using that on your laptop. And at last, you can also go the options like control panel. For that, open control panel. After you open control panel, from there you'll have to just click on the option system and security. From your click on power option, and from here you'll have to just click on change plan settings. And from your as usual you can choose your plan settings like turn off display, put the computer to sleep after 10 minutes or your required minutes. So you can as usual change the settings from here, or you can also directly turn on the low power mode from your power options. So for that, click on the menu icon just at the taskbar at the bottom right, and from your as usual you can turn on the energy saver or battery saver on your PC or laptop. After you do such kind of process, you can probably improve or save your battery life of your PC or laptop. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.